This is my sport event management individual reflection. We ran our event on Wednesday, the 6th of May, American sport event containing 6 sports, delivered to, in the end, university students. Myself, my role was a co-group leader along with one of my peers. My aim is to basically make sure that everyone else in the group had roles and responsibilities to do in terms of planning, delivery on the day. I was in charge of communications as well, like with the school that I was on placement with, who originally were going to be our participants for the event. Unfortunately, they dropped out with 2 weeks to go, so this left me in a bit of a sticky situation where, as the group leader, I had to try and get our communications guy to try and find another group of participants, which unfortunately we didn't get a whole group in the end. We sort of went down the social media route and drafted people in from sport teams in the university and our friends and things like that. So if I was to look back on the planning, maybe being a bit more organised, and planning ahead in case things went wrong. Delivery on the day. So on the day, I actually, along with the peers in the group, had to join in with the activities because of the lack of numbers. So we wanted to make sure the event still ran. So we joined in. Myself, I produced an itinerary for the day, so I knew how long we were playing each sports for, when the breaks were, the rules and the regulations of the sports that we all went away and originally researched. So in terms of evaluating the event, what could we have done better? Well, maybe had a backup group of participants in place, from the beginning, so that we didn't rush around and, we maybe would have had a full group. So in terms of the outcomes of the event, I think it went as well as it could have. I think myself and the other lads, we improvised well. But I still think obviously the event could have been better with a full group of participants. Sorry. I would like to run the event again maybe in the future and see how we get on. But overall, I think we did what we could and the event went as well as possible. So hopefully that's reflected in our feedback.